Ratan Naval Tata is one of India's most respected and admired business leaders. He is known not just for building a global business empire, but also for his humility, ethics, and deep love for the nation. Born on 28 December 1937 inches, Mumbai Ratan Tata belongs to the legendary Tata family, which founded the Tata Group in 1868. Even though he was born into a powerful business family, his life journey was not easy. His parents separated when he was very young, and he was raised by his grandmother, Nawab Ratanji Tata, who played a very important role in shaping his values, discipline, and character. Ratan Tata completed his early education in India and later went to the United States, where he studied architecture and structural engineering at Cornell University. After completing his studies, he could have easily taken a comfortable position at the top of the Tata Group, but he chose a very different path. In 1962, he joined the Tata Group and started his career by working on the shop floor of Tata Steel in Jamshedpur, where he shoveled limestone and handled heavy machinery. This experience helped him understand the real struggles of workers and gave him a strong foundation in leadership from the ground level. In 1991, Ratan Tata became the chairman of Tata Group, at a time when India had just opened its economy to the world. Many people doubted his leadership, including senior executives within the group. The Tata Group was divided into many independent companies with little coordination. Ratan Tata faced criticism and resistance, but he remained calm and focused. Over time, he brought all Tata companies under one strong umbrella, introduced modern management practices, and ensured that the Tata brand stood for trust, quality, and global excellence. Under his leadership, Tata Group transformed into a global business giant. Some of the most important acquisitions during his tenure include Tetley Tea UK, Corus Steel UK Europe, and Jaguar Land Rover UK. These acquisitions shocked the world and proved that an Indian company could successfully compete at a global level.
Especially Jaguar Land Rover, which was struggling at the time of acquisition, later became one of the most profitable businesses under Tata ownership, showcasing Ratan Tata's long-term vision and belief in turnaround strategies. One of Ratan Tata's most ambitious and emotional projects was the Tata Nano, launched as the world's cheapest car. His dream was to provide a safe and affordable car for middle-class Indian families who were forced to travel on two-wheelers. Although the Nano was not a commercial success, Ratan Tata never considered it a failure. For him, it was an innovation-driven mission, and it showed his willingness to take risks for social impact rather than just profits. Beyond business, Ratan Tata is widely known for his philanthropy and humanity. A large portion of Tata Group's profits goes into charitable trusts that work in education, healthcare, rural development, science, and social welfare. He strongly believes that businesses should give back to society. During national crises such as natural disasters, pandemics, and emergencies, Ratan Tata has always been one of the first to step forward with help and support. Ratan Tata is also admired for his simple lifestyle and humility. Despite being one of the most powerful businessmen in the world, he lives a quiet life, does not show off wealth, and treats everyone with respect. He never married and often says that his work and responsibilities kept him deeply engaged. He is also known for his love for dogs, and many people admire him for adopting and caring for stray animals. In 2012, Ratan Tata stepped down as chairman of Tata Group, but his influence did not end. Even after retirement, he remains active as a mentor, investor, and guide for young entrepreneurs and startups in India. He has invested in several startups and continues to inspire millions with his wisdom, integrity, and vision. Ratan Tata life teaches us that true success is not just about money or power, but about values, courage, innovation, and compassion. He proved that an Indian leader can build a global empire without compromising ethics. His journey is a powerful example for students, professionals, and entrepreneurs who want to achieve success while staying grounded and socially responsible. Ratan Tata leadership was always guided by a strong sense of purpose rather than short-term profits. He believed that businesses should think decades ahead, not just about quarterly results. For him, success meant building institutions that would last for generations. This long-term thinking helped Tata Group earn global respect as a company that stands for trust, ethics, and responsibility. One of the most remarkable qualities of Ratan Tata was his courage to take bold decisions. When Tata Group acquired international brands like Corus Steel and Jaguar Land Rover, many experts criticized these moves. People said an Indian company could not manage such large global brands. However, Ratan Tata trusted his vision and his team. Over time, these acquisitions proved successful and became examples of how Indian leadership can compete at a global level. Ratan Tata strongly believed that employees are the real strength of any organization. He focused on creating a work culture based on respect, fairness, and growth opportunities. He encouraged young leaders, listened to new ideas, and gave people the freedom to innovate. This approach built deep loyalty among Tata employees and helped the group grow stronger from within. During times of crisis, Ratan Tata showed exceptional humanity. After the 26/11 Mumbai terrorist attacks, he personally visited the Taj Hotel, spoke to affected employees and families, and ensured long-term support for them. He did not seek media attention. Instead, he quietly took responsibility and stood by his people. This moment showed the world what compassionate leadership truly looks like. Even after stepping down as chairman in 2012, Ratan Tata remained deeply involved in shaping India's future. He became a mentor to young entrepreneurs and invested in several startups across technology, healthcare, and education sectors. His support gave confidence to a new generation of innovators and helped strengthen India's startup ecosystem. Ratan Tata also openly spoke about failure and learning. He often said that not every idea succeeds, and failure should never stop innovation. Projects like the Tata Nano may not have achieved commercial success, but they represented bold thinking and a desire to solve real social problems. For Ratan Tata, learning and progress were more important than fear of failure. Despite his global success, Ratan Tata has always lived a simple and humble life. He avoids luxury, values privacy, and treats everyone with equal respect. His love for animals, especially stray dogs, reflects his kind and compassionate nature. These personal qualities have made him deeply loved and respected beyond the business world. Today, Ratan Tata is not just remembered as a successful industrialist, but as a symbol of integrity, vision, and service to society. His life story inspires millions to believe that true leadership is about creating value for people, the nation, and the future. His journey reminds us that greatness is achieved not only through success, but through values, courage, and compassion.
Learnings from Ratan Tata's life: stay humble and grounded. No matter how big your success is, think long-term and focus on values, not just profits. Have the courage to take risks and trust your vision. Accept failures as learning and keep moving forward. True success is achieved when you give back to society.